Welcome to the Upper School. My name is Mike Mallett and I'm the Upper School Director. Thank you so much for coming out to the open house today. Our Upper School is fantastic. We're small enough that each of our students are known, valued, and loved, but we're large enough to provide extraordinary co-curricular opportunities for our students. For example, we have students who study Chinese, who sing in the chorus, who play volleyball, and participate in service trips abroad. We have other students who take 2 math classes, serve as an editor of the newspaper, play golf, and also do technical set design for our fall play. Our students combine their academic and co-curricular interests in fascinating ways. I can't wait to learn about your interests so we can help you in your goals for high school. Come inside, let me show you a little bit more about the Upper School. This is where you will learn Spanish.
Es verdad.
And this is where you will learn physics.
We use lasers, and we measure them.
And don't forget about the units.
And this is where you can do 3D art. And this is where you will learn history.
Wow, that's a great business idea.
Don't forget to back it up with evidence.
And this is where you will get stronger.
Go, Jack. Let's go, Jack. Come on. Come on. Come on, Jack.
Come on, Jack.
And this is where you will learn geometry.
This is a transversal.
Right, but not. So this is actually an alternate interior angle because you see 60 and wide, like they equal, or rather interior. So that equals an alternate interior angle.
Good job!
And this is where you can study robotics. And this is where you will learn French.
C'est vrai.
And this is where you will learn English.
Communication.
Conversations.
Comprehension.
Cannabis! Shh, this is your library.
Where you can study.
For history. Or read for pleasure.
This is a school with everything you're looking for. A close-knit community where learning is fun. A small school with big opportunities for personal growth and challenge. I hope you'll make St. Stephen St. Agnes your high school. Thank you for visiting. And now I'll turn it over to Mrs. Adams, our head of school.